Hello everyone, welcome to another episode with Finance Bros. This episode we're going to be going over a specific side hustle, and that's going to be garage sales. I hope you enjoyed my last video about the stock market for beginners. So without further ado, let's get started. So the point of this video is that I'll be going through a side hustle, which is garage sales, and I'll be telling you guys what I'm expecting and how it will go in the future, and then I'll post an update video in 2 weeks telling you how it went. And in that video, I'll be going through how many garage sales I went to, how many hours I spent on each one, how much money I spent and sold per item, and other fees. If this is a viable side hustle for other people to try, depending on where they live also. And I'll do the math to show how much it comes down to per hour. So to go through each of the criteria, first, how many garage sales I'll be going to. So I plan on only doing this on Saturdays, so I'll do it for either 1 or 2 Saturdays, and then I'll either go to 3 or 4 garage sales within those days. After I finish that up, I'll report back within 2 weeks and let you guys know how it went, just in case you want to try it yourself. I'll also be going through how I found these garage sales after I've actually done it, and how I'm going to implement some of these ideas, and how you can also do it in your own neighborhood. So another criteria that we're going to be using is how many hours I will be spending, and this is going to include everything from actually getting there, driving back, posting everything on eBay. And the point of this is to show people how long or how many hours you have to spend in a side hustle, and if people can actually do it with their part-time or full-time jobs. The next criteria is going to be how much money I spend per item, how much I sell it for, and other fees that are included. This is going to include anything from lunch, gas, to the actual money that I paid for the item, how much I sold it for, maybe eBay fees. This is going to help show people this is actually an affordable option that they can use to make money, and if how much money they get out of this is actually worth their time. I'll also be going through the math to show how much it would come down to per hour for this side hustle. And basically, I'm going to include all the costs, how much money I made overall, and then I let you know the per hour profits to see if this is worth it for you, because maybe if you already work a part or full-time job, maybe you can get extra hours, and this would not be as worth for you. This video, guys, is basically an introduction to side hustles that I'll do in the future. In the future, I'll basically doing this in one video where I'll go through the side hustle, what I thought, and how it actually came out. But since this is the first video, I thought I'd make it an introduction, and then on the next video, I actually go through the side hustle. Again, guys, thank you for listening and coming to my channel. If you liked the video, drop a subscribe and like. I'd really appreciate it. And if you have any comments or feedback, you can leave them down below. I'm also really excited because I'll be getting a new mic next week, so the sound is going to be a lot better for you guys. And I'll see you guys next episode. Thank you for coming.